Tower cam up now, or Talladega Tower cam, kind of looking northeast here. And even though the sky is a little bit grayer along the horizon, every once in a while we'll see a flash of lightning there lighting up the night sky. That's about what we're going to see in many spots. Temperatures right now in Talladega 75 degrees. Winds are out of the south at around 10 miles per hour. But look at this cluster of lightning in East Alabama right along Interstate 20. That's where we're going to see the main focus of heavy rainfall, intense lightning and gusty winds as this cold front is inching closer and closer into Alabama and closer to our viewing area. It's already nosing its way into the northwest, but hasn't quite reached our viewing area yet. But what's preceding it is what we call prefrontal rain. But we're noticing in the last few scans is that intense rainfall is starting to diminish slightly, but we are still seeing quite a bit of heavy rainfall from Summerton, Kimberly, Springville, Asheville, all the way up to Gadsden. This stretches back into Double Springs and some lighter showers back into Hamilton still. Most of that heavy rain along or north of I-20, but over the next 60 minutes, I do anticipate this line of heavy rainfall continuing to fall over the same spots from Aniana to Gadsden. It's not really moving south all that much as it's starting to move east. So Fort Payne, you're going to get some heavy rainfall next. Same with Heflin. We'll see a little gap in Jasper in about 30 minutes, but then another round of wet weather is moving out of Tupelo. So Hamilton, you'll be in for more rain closer to 11:15 tonight. But notice around and south of I-20, not a whole lot going on in the next hour, where the most rain I'm expecting tonight is still expected to fall in our northernmost counties from Tuscaloosa County, Jefferson into Etowah and points west. East of that, not as much. So here's the storm threats. The timing basically right now until about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Strong to severe storms. We've had no severe thunderstorm warnings. That's good news, but we could still get some very gusty winds and heavy rains. Winds in excess of 55 miles per hour are possible. All right, as we're continuing to track this mess through 11 o'clock, again, most of it saying north of I-20 through 2 to 3 o'clock, but by 3 a.m. that's when it really starts to push through the Birmingham metro, and then it lines up from Alabaster eastbound to Lineville by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. As we near daybreak, we're likely already going to see a clearing sky to our northwest, but I'll give it to about noon before it completely clears our entire viewing area. Cloud cover still lingers to our south through the middle of the afternoon, but the rest of us will feel the effects of that north wind tomorrow, drying us out just a bit, and sunshine could actually return by late tomorrow afternoon. The severe wind risk tonight is going to be most of our western and northernmost counties. This has been expanded a little bit to include cities like Alabaster, Columbiana, and Calera. So early storms tomorrow, clearing by mid-morning, sunshine in some spots by afternoon, less humid by Wednesday, drying out, but a bit more seasonable towards the end of the week, and then a few scattered showers and